Hey guys, this is Mike, and I'm at my friend Justin's house. He's the railfan and fanatic on YouTube, and you're looking at his new Conrail engine for HO scale, and it says NS right there underneath the number board. Pull the horn stuff in the back. It's got ditch light, it's got a horn in the bell and the sound.
I don't think that's hooked up right over there.
I'll back it up. Back it up. Sounds fantastic. Uh-oh. Something's happening. The power's going in and out. I'm recording. Yeah. There it goes, sort of. There's this Conrail Jeep engine. We're trying to get this to run, but it doesn't seem like it wants to. Alright, well, while we're waiting, I'm going to show the rest of the set. I haven't made a video of this in a while. But here's the Amtrak, and you got the car that has the light on that.
When it gets over here,
and here's the Amtrak engine, 150.
Oh, this got messed up too.
And it's going this way actually. Uh-oh. Train crash. Uh-oh. And then here's some new tank cars.
Joe, when you were putting this in, was it not budging? You have to use some force
and
to go in? Yeah, you should have known maybe.
And then here's the other train.
I was trying to pull
here.
up on it, not push down on it.
And they put this on there. And
yeah, Joe,
and there's the Erie Lackawanna engine.
It comes in.
And the other one. So here comes the Amtrak, by the way. It's coming along on this track here. Even though it's going backwards, it's not a cab car. It's just a regular passenger car.
Justin, I can run the Amtrak into this.
It's just running it that way.
Into your,
but here's the crossing shot.
Amtrak. Will your Amtrak fit in your program, Kurt? So I can get it out of the way.
Blow the horn, Joe. Blow the horn. And there it goes into the tunnel, and it's gonna come out right down to here. We'll do a nice side shot of it. Pretty cool. And this is like the little station. Well, sort of. But here's the station of it.
Come on, fit in here.
Amtrak is going into a siding. That's like rare. You don't see that too often.
That's a station siding.
I don't care, but you don't see that too often.
No, but
it's just like
it just happens
goes here. It's like, okay, so the Amtrak's gonna just stay on the side track and have all the other stuff pass it.
Oh yeah, there's plenty of room in there.
And before I end the video, well, hold on.
I'm gonna get the Conrail and train one and back up again.
Here's the platform. Here's like the map, and it says Rochester, New York. Alright, I'll just explain the station part. It's like, it has to be redone, but this is like a HO scale station. It's being worked on right now.
It's under construction.
Yeah, it's under construction, and there's other people. And I'll video some more of the Conrail stuff. So here's the Conrail. It's going over the bridge, to the bridge. And there it goes. Going through the tunnel. There it goes. Hold on.
I want my corridor.
Perfect shot.
This is your control too.
Tunnel. Wow, look at this tunnel shot. It's like there. I love this shot. I might get run over, but I don't know. Alright, here comes the freight train with the area. Wow, look at this LED shot. Oh, let me back it up. There it goes. This train's actually tailgating the other one. Kind of bad. I didn't want to view that.
If I were you, I'd put your front on the back of the
Then there's the end.